Welcome back, dear viewers, to an exciting journey into the world of raspberries, where rich history meets health. In this video, we'll delve into the captivating history of raspberries and uncover their remarkable health benefits. Please watch my video to the end for some delicious, healthy raspberry recipe. A symphony of colors bright, underneath the azure light, raspberries, jewels of nature's art, in every throb of summer's heart. In the Renaissance era, raspberries garnered not only culinary admiration but also symbolic significance in the realms of art and culture. Historical paintings and illustrations depicting raspberries. A painter's brush would oft delight, capturing raspberries' hue so bright. Allegories woven in each stroke, of fleeting joys and life bespoke. They were enjoyed by ancient civilizations, from the Greeks and Romans to Asia. In fact, raspberries were valued not only for their sweet tart flavor but also for their medicinal properties. During the Renaissance era, raspberries were regarded as precious jewels of the garden, cherished for their exquisite taste, vibrant color, and myriad of symbolic meanings. In Renaissance's radiant glow, they'd gleam, raspberries, nature's jewels in a dream. Amidst the garden's vibrant and fair, symbolic tales they whispered in the air. Raspberries were the original berry, stylish accessory for the aristocracy. Thus, in the Renaissance, raspberries were not merely fruits but cultural icons that captured the essence of a flourishing and indulgent era. Berry fashion. During the Renaissance, raspberries were the original berry, stylish lady accessory. As time went on, these berries journeyed across continents, delighting taste buds and captivating imaginations. Today, raspberries are grown globally, with major producers including Russia, Poland, Germany, and the United States. Modern growing techniques have allowed farmers to develop different raspberry varieties suited to different climates. Their unique sweet tart taste makes them perfect for everything from breakfast to dessert or just a healthy snack for everyone. Crimson stains spread far and wide. The jeweled berries glisten bright, offering tart and sweet delight, and summer picturesque outside. Over time, raspberries have evolved into the delicious and nutritious fruit we know today. They come in various colors, including red, black, and gold. Raspberries aren't just tasty, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these berries offer a wide range of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants. Raspberries are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The fiber and potassium content in raspberries contribute to heart health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting proper circulation. Digestive health. With their high fiber content, raspberries promote a healthy digestive system, aid in constipation prevention, and support a balanced gut microbiome. Cognitive function. The antioxidants in raspberries are thought to have potential benefits for brain health, including the reduction of cognitive decline associated with aging. Diabetes management. Raspberries have a relatively low glycemic index and can be a good choice for those managing diabetes. The fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels. Beyond their health benefits, raspberries have also inspired culinary creativity. Their versatility in both sweet and savory recipes has truly made them a kitchen favorite. Incorporating raspberries into your diet is easy and enjoyable, and eating fresh them always best. From fresh berries to jams, smoothies, tea, salads, salsa and desserts, there are countless ways to savor their delicious flavor and reap their health benefits. Raspberry banana shake recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of fresh raspberries, 2 bananas peeled, 2 cups of whole milk or yogurt, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Directions: add all ingredients into the blender, mix until smooth. Your smoothie is ready. Delicious and healthy. Old World Natural Remedy. Healing raspberry tea with raw honey. Ingredients: 2 cups of well water, 1 tablespoon of fresh raspberries, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instruction: boil 2 cups of water, add fresh raspberries, let it cool for 5 minutes, add raw honey, mix it. Drink it right away. This tea cures common colds and fevers. From my experience, this tea really heals you. Summer, delicious fresh mix berry plate. Delicious raspberry salsa recipe, can be made hot or sweet, your choice. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh raspberries, 1/2 red onion, finely chopped, 1 pepper sweet or hot, finely chopped, seeds removed for less heat, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 lime juiced. Salt and pepper to your taste. Finely chop the red onion and peppers. If you want less heat, make sure to remove the seeds and membranes from the jalapeno before chopping. Add the chopped red onion, pepper, and chopped cilantro to the mixing bowl with the whole raspberries. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the mixture. Your salsa is ready. It will look delicious at your dining table. Their sweetness mingles with the breeze, a melody that softly teases, and in each bite, we find a rhyme, a fleeting moment, so sublime. In gardens kissed by warmth's embrace, they thrive with elegance and grace. Their berries hang like drops of love, a gift from skies that smile above. So next time you're shopping for fruit, be sure to pick up some raspberries and enjoy their many benefits. Your body will thank you. By children, berries, and skies of blue. Ripe raspberries, best treats of youth. Remember to share the raspberry love and spread the word about their incredible history and health benefits. So, let us savor summer's treat, raspberries ripe, a summer's feat, in every mouthful, let us see the magic of a season's glee. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.